In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the headlight bracket on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located under the headlight. Let's get started. Using a T20 bit, we're going to remove the 2 screws on the bottom for the front fender liner. There should be one more right here on a bracket, but ours is missing. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the 3 T20 screws in the inner fender liner. There's one more all the way in the top. This is for the front bumper. Pull the front fender liner back. Do the same thing on the other side. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop all of the plastic clips out of the top trim. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 10mm bolts. Using a Phillips head bit, remove all of the screws on the front. Two more on the side. Lift the trim piece up. It's held onto the front bumper with a few clips. We're going to use a trim tool and get in between the two and pop it up. Do the same thing on the other side. There's one last clip in the front. We'll pull straight back and pop it out. Start at one corner of the bumper, grab right on the corner, pop straight out. Work your way around the front, pulling the bumper forward. Go to the other corner, lifting it up and out. Pull the bumper straight forward. Pull the lock back for the ambient air temperature sensor. Just pull it into the unlock position right there. Press down on that black tab and remove the connector. Remove the bumper. Lift up on the bumper. Pull back on this back trim piece. And as we do that, we're going to pop the headlight trim up and out, so we have the square free from that little fitting. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws for the headlight bracket. We're going to pull up on this tab on the corner, pop it up and out. Continue down the line, pulling the clips out, popping the trim out of place, and removing it from the vehicle. Get the headlight bracket started. We're going to slide this in. Get the corner tab started. Work your way around. Install the Phillips head screws. Install the connector for the ambient air temp sensor. Push until you hear a click, lock it down, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the bumper onto the vehicle. Start on one corner. Line it up in the front, push straight on. Go to the other corner, set it into place. Install the top trim piece. Install the middle first. Make sure that tab drops in. Push down along the top. Install the Phillips head screws. Two more on the side. Install the bolts. Install the plastic clips. Install the corner screw for the bumper. Tuck the front fender liner into the front bumper. Install the 3 screws on the side of the fender liner. Install the bottom 2 screws for the front fender liner. Repeat the same process for the corner bolt and the fender liner bolt on the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.